In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Skrill account. Open your Google and type Skrill. Click on the very first link that you get. And once inside, go ahead and click on register, which is at the top right corner. And now you have to enter your first name and last name, your country, the preferred currency, and then email address. Plus, you have to create a strong password. Make sure your first name and last name are same as in your ID because you have to verify your account later for doing any sort of transaction. And once you've done that, just choose your country, your preferred currency, and your email address and password. And once you've done everything, go ahead and click on that register. And you might have to verify something like this. Just go ahead and do it. And well, now your account has been created. In this way, you can easily create your Skrill account. And you can also find the Skrill app in your Play Store, so you can just go ahead and install that if you want. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.